This small device will destroy smartphones. Its design will make you crazy. Know how it works? Humani has introduced a gadget named AI Pin, which is being discussed all over the world. Let us tell you that the co-founder of Humani is Imran Chaudhary, who has worked as a product designer in Apple for 20 years. The first glimpse of AI Pin was seen in July this year. Most of the innovation and work in tech has been done on gadgets. In the last several years, there have been many products which have been claimed to eliminate the need for smartphones. Many times one cannot believe after seeing these products, but it is true that such products have now come in the market which earlier we used to see only in movies or only imagine. For your information, let us tell you that Imran has designed everything from Macintosh to iPod, iPad, Apple Watch and iPhone. Imran is known for his unique designs. Specifications of AI Pin. AI Pin is a projector that you can wear with your clothes. Despite being a projector, it also works like a smartphone. With AI Pin, you can make calls, receive calls, open apps and project any content on your palm with voice commands. AI Pin weighs about 34 grams and its price is $699, that is about Rs 58,293. Currently, it has not been introduced in India. It has the support of artificial intelligence and AI chat tool. It has an inbuilt camera and a microphone along with a speaker. Many types of sensors are provided in it. It has a Snapdragon processor and AI engine. Bluetooth connectivity is provided in it. There is no need to pair it with any phone. What work does AI Pin do? With AI Pin, you can talk to anyone on the phone, can click anyone's photo. Apart from this, you can project videos, text and photos etc. on your palm. With itself, you can also send text messages to someone. It also works as a personal speaker. This AI Pin can also give you many types of fitness suggestions. No command is required to activate it because it always remains in active mode. AI Pin can give complete information about a product or item. For example, if you are going to eat kiwi, then you can ask about its nutrition. Will AI Pin kill pin smartphones? Humani, the company that manufactured it, claims that AI Pin is an anti-smartphone device. According to the company, this is a smartphone which does not require looking at the screen to use it. It has a laser ink display that projects content. It has gesture control, which means you can operate it with finger gestures. In this, you can play, pause, download, backward and forward the music being played with the help of fingers. It has AI voice command. With this, you can talk anywhere, anytime and get information and news updates from anywhere around the world. AI Pin cannot completely eliminate the smartphone, but it can definitely limit its needs.